Esme and Joy. What? No. More like bitch and dickhead. Oh my god. This show sucks. This show is about those characters and they like to go on stupid adventures. Esme is stupid. I bet if you ask her what's 9 plus 11, then she will say it's 21. Roy is so scary as fuck. And no one gives a shit about the rest of the characters. The animation is stupid. The music is annoying. The theme song is annoying. The stories are stupid. And the whole show looks like monsters trying to scare girls while they're in bed. Thank God this show got cancelled in 2021. I don't know who likes or hates this show, so I'm going to leave it be. Screw Esme and Roy. And screw Dora and Friends, Into the City. The Juice Ooze is 1000 times better than Esme and Roy. End of rant.